As you saw in the video, there was no need to drill into the crank sprocket. We just used the tap, which was a M8 1.25 for anyone else who has this problem. And now we'll go back to pulling it out. So now you can see those are M8 1.25 mm bolts. The head on them is a 12 mm. So it's got a 12 mm head. You can get them from any Japanese cars. If you just go to a scrapyard or anything of that sort, they're very commonly used for the body panels or parts of the suspension, steering, so on. So we're just using a harmonic balancer puller and just adapting it to work with this particular unit. That rust there, that was the problem. That's what seized. That's what seized the crank sprocket onto the crankshaft. So just to recap, this is a M8 thread by 1.25. and the head is a 12 mm on both sides, and this is a harmonic balancer puller.